Alright, hello guys, I'm going to be making a trade day video. As you can see, I have decent players up, but not super good. I got to build on what I've got. So, here they are, Quad, McQuay, whatever. Can't really read them. And a small, Gunnarsson, Trotman, Boschman. Wait, go back. Sakara and Vermette. So decent players. Look at this beast goalie right here. But to find all these, just go to 15,000 starting price and hit me up with some trades. Alright, I'm gonna open another pack here too, just for this video. Let's get there. I should be just opening a regular gold. Yeah, we'll go with Sedin. Alright. Let's see what we get. A silver player. Well, that's not very good. But it's alright. Let's see here. So it's 350, 450. I can't believe the silver player is more than the gold players. Wow. Alright, alright. So let's there you go. Put him, I guess I could just quick sell him. Stupid cats are fighting. Yeah, I'm still getting my money out of him. 450, no, he goes to trade pile. 200 goalie, yep, trade pile. I guess I'll send these to trade piles. Contract cards are going for a lot. You get them a lot too. 250, about so small. I'll just quick sell these. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Definitely don't need that. And this, let's see what's my trade pile. Alright, I guess I'll show you my team too. Let's see here. Alright, so first line we got Scott Hartnell, he's my captain. D-Roy and Martin Eratz. He's got an injury. I could use my injury card. Contract, I'll just put a contract card. Alright, defense, we got Michaelette, and we got both Kylmeister, and then in goalie we have Miller, and backup goalie I have Thomas Walken. I'll probably put Thomas Walken up for trade too, so I'll put him for 15K too, so give me some trades for him too. Second line, I have, it's kind of my St. Louis line, I have Steen, Little, and Tarasenko. And then for defense I have Niskanen and Gleason. And then third line I have Glenn Cross, David Lagon, and Mike Fisher. Kind of half Predators line. I don't know. And then defense I have Rabidas and Stewart. And then for fourth line I have Bouchard, Akaposo, and Kopecky, and then defense have Michaelek and Baumeister. So pretty good lines. I'll go back to the trade day, trading stuff. Alright, so you can trade me for a Quad and a small Gunnarsson, this awesome goalie right here, 38. He's a boss. Elmar Trotman, super rare. And then Boschman and Sakara and Vermette. And I'll also put Falcone on. So be sure to leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff. And thanks for watching.